How are you?
I'm super and you.
Same here. May I start my topic?
Yes, go for it.
First of all, I would like to say thanks who has given me a golden opportunity to speak my topic. My topic is freedom fighter. We all know that our India was slapped to British government. British. Then many people of India fight against to the British government like as Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Rani Lakshmi Bai. Out of them, I like to character of freedom fighter in Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was a great lady and she was an Indian queen. She was born on 28th of 19th of November 1828 into the town of Banaras and in the Banaras and into the Maharashtra Marathi Brahman family. She was named Manikanka. She was nicknamed Manu. And the Peshawar called to the Har Chabili. The word Chabili means that beautiful, cheerful and joyful and also lovely. She was educated at home. She was educated at home. She taught, learn and write at home. Also, her study included the shooting and horsemanship. She is the very independent girl in childhood, another to all girls. And she married to the king of Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao. After marriage, according to the Hindu tradition, she took a new name. Lakshmi Bai. Lakshmi Bai, and she was born. A child he died. After that, the king and queen adopted to the child. His name is Damodar Rao. Damodar Rao. British government know about the Jhansi country and about to the also Damodar Rao. He was an adopted boy. That's why British government conveyed the message to Jhansi. By later, he wrote, leave the Jhansi. Then the king of the Jhansi, Gangadhar Rao, died, and after that, the king of Jhansi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was too much alone, and she replied to the British government, I will never give my Jhansi. I will never give my Jhansi, and she fighting to the British government till last breath. Thanks for listening to that.
How are you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I am also fantastic. My topic is freedom fighter of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I say few lines of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born at 31 October 1875. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as Iron Man of India. He is remembered as a strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He is remembered as monumentally and fundamentally of India freedom struggle. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine and you?
How about you? I'm also good. Today topic is my Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1899. He was one single child of Motilal Nehru and Sharu Rani Nehru. He was one of the most renowned barristers, and he was man of the greatest statesman in India. Nehru attended Operation and protection in India in 1947. Took oath attending the first Prime Minister of India, attending independence. Opened India in 1947. He served as countries. First Prime Minister for 17 years. His birthday on 14 November is readily celebrated in India in Children's Day. Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm also fantastic. So I'm going to present a very fantastic topic, that is great freedom fighters. And my freedom fighters topic, I want to say about Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey was one of the early known freedom fighter, and he was born on 19th of July 1827 in Nagwa, a village in Balia district. His father name was Divakar Pandey, and his mother name was Abhai Rani Pandey. And he was the first person to inspire the Indian soldiers and excite the Great Rebellion in 1857. And he was also joined as a soldier in the British East India Company. And he fired at the English officials, and he was fired on the English officials, and that was the first starting of the Indian rebellion in 1857. And he was died on 8th of April 1857. At the age of 30 years, he was died in Barakpur, Calcutta, and he was died due to the execution of the hanging. Thank you very much.
How are you? Same here. May I start? My topic is freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was also known as Netaji. He was a great freedom fighter. He was the leader of Indian National Army, also known as Azad Hind Fauj. He was the president of Indian National Congress. He got a book. His name is The Indian Struggle 1920-1942. His slogan says, "Give me bread, I shall give you freedom." And second, freedom is not given, freedom is taken. Thank you.
How are you? I'm also super. May I start? Yes. My topic is on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel earned the title Iron Man of India at a young age for his great deeds. He was born on 31 October in the year 1875 in Nadia, and he is known for his contribution to the country. His contribution to the field of Bardoli Satyagrah got him the name Sardar. Despite being a famous lawyer, he withdrew his profession and contributed against the freedom of country. After independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the 50th Prime Minister of India and played a vital role in the integration of India and dedicated himself knowledge to the princely states within the Indian Union. His full name was Sardar Vallabhbhai Javirbhai Patel. He is more famous from his titles. There are two famous titles of his: Bismarck of India and Iron Man of India. His father's name was Javirbhai Patel and mother's name was Labda Patel. He also awarded from Bharat Ratna. In 1950, on 15 December in Mumbai, he died from heart attack. Thank you so much.
How are you? I am also fantastic. My topic on Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan is born on 1 December 1951. He was the first freedom fighter in India. He always against the Britishers. At the age of 15, he supported his father in the first war of Mysore against the British. He believed in science. He was the first person who launched a rocket in the war against the British. He also victory the second battle of Mysore. He was the great freedom fighter in the India and also a great king. Thank you.